You're gonna love the 2019 Subaru Outback. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a sure-footed Outback that delivers versatility, comfort, and peace of mind. The sky's the limit on every adventure in this down-to-earth companion. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps. Get the capability you've been dreaming of in this Outback. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.